Good morning. Green Hotel is the name of our company. Our company has offered different services since 1998. Our service: reception, breakfast, chef, parking, free Wi-Fi, kids game, fitness center, room service, porters, rooms. We have had 80 guests for 2 months. When you purchase our service, you can rest in a spacious suite and sleep for several hours. The Green Hotel has elegant rooms, air conditioning, flat screen, cable TV. The guests also had a safe and coffee maker and had a private bathroom with toiletries. They can use this service for a long time, for 5 days, for a month. Also, there are people have stayed here since last month until 4 months, among others. Food and service. In the morning, a full buffet, very fast, and the best Colombia coffee. The restaurant has been preparing national international dishes since 2001. Our restaurant has been running for a long time and people have been fascinated for our service. The receptionist and chefs are original from Peru. They have worked for the Green Hotel since 2001. They arrived our country for international business, but they had lived in Colombia since 2000. Besides, they have been a good worker for a long time. Business service. At the beginning, we had 2 meeting rooms. Now we have 5 meeting rooms available. We had a business center at the hotel for 3 days with a month that you request. And you are free to gather your staff. Thank you for your attention.